The purpose of this video is to show you how to use the new My Learning Modules widget. The My Learning Modules widget is a tool that shows content in a tile format on the home page, as seen here. Each content module is shown as its own tile with a progress tracker, picture, information button, and play button. Students can use the tiles to navigate within content and can even pick up where they left off within modules. Let's take a look at the parts of the My Learning Modules widget. When students click the play button, it takes them to the next topic that they have not yet visited within content. You'll notice that this time when I click the play button on the math module, it takes me to the Learn file in the Addition folder. Now when I click on the Home button, you'll see that the next time I click on the play button, it will take me to the next activity within that module. And you can see that the little black bar going around the circle has grown just a little bit more because I have visited another topic within that module. Now when I click, I can see that it's going to go to the Learn To topic inside the Addition module. Now let's click Home and find out what happens when you click on the heading of the tile. Click on the heading of the tile to see the first item inside that module that is available to students. This takes students to the very first item inside the module, and then they can use the arrows to navigate back and forth within the module, or they can use the breadcrumbs on the table of contents to choose what they would like to visit. Notice when I clicked on the heading, it took me to the Introduction file, which is inside the Native Georgians Creek submodule. Now, let's take a look at how to add an image to your tile so students will have an easy picture to help them find where they need to go. In order to add an image, you must go to Content. So I will go and click on the Content button. And then I need to find the module where I would like to add the image. Since my Science tile does not have an image, I'm going to choose Science. And then once I choose Science, I need to click Add a Description. In the description box, use the Insert Image button to insert an image. You can drag and drop a file into this box, or you can upload a file of your choosing. Click Add to add your picture. You can choose that this image is decorative, and then click OK. Now you'll see that I have the image inside the description of the module. Once I update my image, I can now go back home and see my new updated tile with an updated image as well. Now that you know how to add an image to your tile, let's talk about a couple of tips and tricks that can be useful for when you're using the My Learning Modules widget. When you want students to all visit the same exact topic within a tile or within a content module, you need to add 2 asterisks or stars to the name of that topic. For example, inside my social studies content, if I would like for my student to visit one particular file in general, I'm going to go to that file in content and then add 2 stars to the name of that file. So now that I've added my 2 stars and press enter, I can go back and click on Home, and when I press the play button on the social studies tile, it will make it so that my students go to that particular introduction module no matter how many other topics they have visited. Notice it's gone directly to the introduction module. Now, if I would like for students to go somewhere else, I must take away the 2 stars and press enter, and then go to the any other content files that I would like for students to visit. For example, if I would like for students to visit the Learn page, I need to add the 2 stars or asterisks and then press enter. Now, when I go back home, I can use my tile, and when I press the play button, it will take students directly to that particular item inside content. Don't forget, you need to remove the stars when you're done if you would like students to be able to navigate to other items within content with ease using the play button. Some important things to know when you're using the My Learning Modules widget are, first, these tiles only come into the My Learning Modules widget from the main modules within content. Submodules do not come through as their own separate tile in the My Learning Modules widget. Also, remember images need to be put within the description of the main modules within content. Modules that are marked as a draft will not appear for students within the My Learning Modules widget. Now that you've learned all about the My Learning Modules widget, try it out with your students.